You may have landed here in this video by seeing the thumbnail, and you are probably thinking that what is this guy talking about? How he can watch us? But trust me guys, I can watch you. I can watch your location, I can watch your address, I can watch your internet connection and many more. So this is educational video. Please do not promote this for illegal activities. In this video, I'll be discussing about how the attackers attack the victim to see his location. So this video is for educational purpose. Please share among all your friends and make them also aware about how the attackers attack to the victim and get the location of them. Hi guys, I'm Milan from Acer Engineer. Today in this brand new video, we'll be discussing about all those IP address related things and link sharing things. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, here you go to the Google and you can see your IP address. So first of all, what is IP address means? IP address means your internet protocol. Full form is internet protocol, but IP address means a unique address that identifies your device in the internet. So let's go and search what is your IP address. So just go to Google and search IP address, and you can get the definition of IP address. You can read here. So you just go to Google and search what is my IP address, and here you can see your IP address. So this is your IP address where your internet and your device is connected. So now how you can get the IP address of any of the people which you are related to? So first of all, go to IP logger. Okay, so here you can see IP logger, and this is the site where you have to go. Okay, so here you can see paste a link to website or image that you want to certain. So here what you can do is you can create your own link or any other website link to get access of their location. So for example, one of my friend is really interested about gadgets, buying the gadgets, or he is really interested in something like videos or whatever the things is. So for me, I can guess that my friend will like some gadgets. So I will go to Daraz. This is the online shopping of Nepal. Here we go to Daraz, and one of my friends who is who I'm going to attack can love the gadgets. That is, let me put Mac, right? And this is the Mac, and I will copy the link. So I will copy this link, simply Ctrl+C, and again I will come to IP logger and I will paste the link here and hit enter. So here I will agree the terms and click in next. So finally we generate the link to be shared or to share to my friend from which I want to get the location. Okay, so here you can see iplogger.org, but I want to change this link so that friends may get confused whether this is the real link or this is the link that is spam kind of things. So here I can see IP logger here to I'll select this, then you can see the link has been changed. Now this links looks a little common than this IP logger. So here I will copy this link and I will go to Facebook or wherever I want to send, right? So facebook.com, and live I will do these things live to one of my friend. Okay, so here, so actually I can't send that link here, so I'm asking the email of my friend. Email, can you,
Hello?
brother, can you please reply reply me, reply. He sent me the email address. Now let's copy the email address and let's send him the link, so he will directly touch and we can get his location right now. Okay, I'll go to IP logger and I will copy the link again, right? So this one I'll select directly this one. So here we go to mail and laptop simply we paste the link. So now let's send it. Okay, so here after we send it, here you can see it is sent. Now here we come again to this one, and here you can see link for viewing statistic, right? So we just copy this link and we'll go to our browser and simply paste and look this link. Now whenever he look that link or open that link, then we can get his location. So here in the down section, let's see here on selected period, no records are found. You can see here, just let's refresh it. Finally you can see he had touched that link and we can get his IP address. So this is his IP address. I guess he is in world link communication. So let's go here and we'll search IP address lookup. So here just go to the first site you get and hit paste this link and get IP details. Just click here and you can see we are done. So here you can see the host name, world link communication. He is using the world link internet, right? So he is Asia, Nepal, Lumini province, Dang. He's in Dang. I don't know actually. So let's just copy this latitude and longitude. Okay, so here we will just open the Google Earth, Google Google Earth, right? So Earth, and we'll open the Google Earth. Okay, so after that you can see here search option, just hit the longitude or latitude, and after comma you just latitude, and after that longitude, right? So just copy this and come here, comma after longitude, and just simply hit enter. And now you can see it is now showing his location. Oh my god. Okay, he is just near about Dang airport, so we can see his location right now. So this is not actually his location. Near to this location 1 kilometer or something, he is probably in Dang. So we can say that he is there. So in this way you can simply get the access or get the locations of people, and you know, if he travel, we can again track him and say, where are you right now? Are you in Dang or what? So this is actually the process of looking or watching. So if you like our video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you want to know how to get exact point where the people is, then that video will also be provided for you. So that's all for today. Have a wonderful day. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and help it to grow. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.